Hey guys, it's Jake, and today is an awesome day today because I just got the MetaQuest 3 in the mail. So yeah, we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review. Alright, let's dive right in. I'm gonna blow all this out. Got my dress on and everything. It's going to be so awesome. I've been waiting a long time for this. That goes there. I think that's might be all we need. Oh, yeah. So yeah. So it looks like. Oh, there it is. There it is. Fresh MetaQuest 3 in the box. Yeah. So I got the 128 gig one because I didn't want to spend a whole lot on this. Oh, we don't even need this, I don't think. So we have here. So yeah, this is a brand new, just launched today. On this is being recorded on October 10th, 2023. Over here, I like the packaging. It's good. I think that's all we need, right? Just get this out. Right? No. Missing one? Interesting. How do you get it out? Should just come right out, right? Oh. Okay, well that's something. Okay, here we go. Okay. I think that's... And there it is. There it is. Whoa. Wow, well, that's very thin. Yeah, we got the standard strap. So it's got... So one of the new things is the Y strap, whereas the Quest 2 had a single strap. But that looks pretty good. We'll put that over there for a sec. We'll take out the controllers next. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay. That feels pretty good in the hand. Anyway. So, yeah, we'll mess around with this a little bit, and we'll get to the video, we'll record some footage, and we'll go from there.